Hello, my name is Nagaraj Shet from Kumta. I'm Uttar Kannada district. So this time is I'm watching this black hunts. Black hunts biting is so more benefited, health benefit. Every year it's 2 times in 3 times biting. This is naturally so more benefit naturally Ayurvedic medicine and biting is so alive animal in so bites this hunts is so more benefited health benefited and poisonous and throat is the poisonous blood the removing the body is biting because it's a hunt black hunts biting is so poison body poison is every poison body is hunt
ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಹೇಳಬಿಡ್ತೀಯ ನೋಡದೆ ಅದು ಮಾಡು 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 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ನೀನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾತಾಡೋದನ್ನ